Hi everyone, welcome to our analysis and review of Chapter 12, Perfectly Competitive Firms. Perfectly competitive firms are very important to our economy, and it's a very interesting market structure to evaluate. Perfectly competitive firms is a market structure where there are many buyers and sellers that are selling identical products. There are no barriers to entry and exit into the market, as these firms can freely enter and exit without any cost. You'll notice that perfectly competitive firms are classified as price takers. This means that these firms will be forced to take the market price. And this is very efficient for firms because firms are able to, well, I should say this is more effective for consumers because consumers will be able to get the most efficient price in the market. When you're forced to take the market price, firms are not able to raise the prices established in the market, which will create challenges. If you look at this graph, you'll notice that the firms will sell all of their units at $7. And when they sell all of their units at $7, this firm will not be able to raise prices. So they can't raise prices to, let's say, $7.25 because the products that they sell are identical. And that's the key point that we need to look at. When you're selling identical products, this creates more opportunities in markets. When we look at the next graph here, here's the industry. The industry has set the price at $7. So this means that the firms will sell their production at $7. All the units of production at $7. This is very important to evaluate because this means that this firm is being forced to take this market price. And when they're being forced to take that market price, that's the characteristic that's classified as a price taker. And a price taker is a firm that is forced to take the price that's been established in the industry. They're not able to raise prices. They're going to have to be forced to take the price that's being established. One of the key characteristics for this is what we're looking at is the price of the firm, average revenue, and the marginal revenue will all be the same. So firms will be bringing about some different challenges. And when we look at these different challenges, firms will struggle to raise prices in markets. And one of the main reasons why they will struggle to raise prices is their lack of differentiated products. So when products are not different, you can't raise prices. And that's something to be very focused on this week. They're the most efficient market structure, but the lack of efficiency. If you have any questions, please let me know, but I look forward to your effort this week.